Hey everyone, it's me, Donna. I'm making this video for people who may run into a problem with programs like Moho or Moho 13, 13.5, 13.1, whatever the version of it is. This is something that I encountered because I'm switching over from my old laptop to my new laptop, which I'm going to hang on to my old laptop for as long as it'll run. But it started acting up, and it's been a long time coming, and so I decided to go ahead and get me a new laptop and just start kind of gradually bringing stuff over. uh, One thing that I encountered with my Moho 13. Now, this doesn't, Windows 11 does not affect earlier versions of Anime Studio, uh, and even the Moho 14. None of those programs seem to have a problem, but there is a problem between Moho 13 and Windows 11, and maybe even Windows 10 from what I've heard from some people, but I didn't have a problem with it with my Windows 10. But this computer has Windows 11 and it has a problem with it. And the problem is the MSVCR100.DLL file. Okay. And believe me, I have researched, I've went through the gamut online, trying to figure out the solution. But what happens is, if you do not have this file with the Moho 13, this is what happens when you click on it. It will pop up in error, and it will say that it can't do anything because that file is not there. Now, this is, it don't matter if you download this program from Moho themselves, or if you have it on a CD or whatever. I've tried it all. This file does not exist with this. It did not come with any of them. Okay, so here's how I finally figured out. Now, I have ran whoops, let me move this back over. I have ran the scan disk thing. I've went in my command prompt, did all that stuff. I even downloaded the C++ redistribution package, all that stuff. None of that fixed this problem. So hopefully, I will, what I tell you will help somebody out there who tried all this stuff and nothing worked. Okay. What you need to do is get this file. Okay, but you need to get this file from the type of folder that you've got your Moho saved into. Like when I installed Moho, it automatically put it in. Hold on, let me get right here. It automatically put it in my my program files. Okay, this is for the 64-bit, and then you got your program files folder for the 32-bit. Okay, well, it automatically put it in here when I installed it. Okay, you need to get a MSVCR100 DLL file from another folder that is of the program. Like, you can go into your programs folder, and if you've got another program in this folder that also has that file, you should be able to get that file, copy it, and then go in and paste it directly into it Moho 13 folder. Okay. If not, go to your old computer. If your old computer is still running, that you're getting, like, that you're transferring from and all that stuff, go to that computer and go into the programs file. If that's where this is saved on your new computer, go into the programs file of the old computer, type in up here in the search box MSVCR, and you don't 100. You don't even have to type the .dll. If it's in there, it will pop up, and then you go and you get that file. You click on it, you copy it, and then you either put it on a USB drive or one of your little discs, or your cloud, which is what I did. Go to your cloud thing. okay? And I even created a folder right here. And I found it on my old computer because it didn't have it in my Moho or nothing like that. I found it in my office, like your Open Office or any other program that happens to have that MSVCR 100 DLL file. If it has it in that folder, get it, then copy it either up on the cloud or some other way, copy it onto that, and then get it, and then let me go back to this right here. All right, which let me go back and copy it just to show you guys. Let me go to my cloud thing where I had it at. All right, I'm going to copy it right here, okay? Let me go down. And then I'm going to go to my programs file, which is where the Moho is. Go to the folder. And I'm going to paste it in there. And then, of course, it will pop up a box a lot of times that says, do you have permission to do this, administrative permission? And yes, I do. So click continue. And it will paste it into that, okay? So now it's in the folder itself. Do not put it into your regular Windows program. Like if you paste it outside of this, just in the program thing, this right here, this folder, it's not going to work. It has to be in the exact folder of your Moho that you're going to use, okay? So remember that. Don't just paste it in the programs file because it will not recognize it from the Moho folder. It has to be in its folder, okay? So now what you do is you go out, and then now when you click on it, it should work. Boom. There you go. So now you can do whatever you want to with your Moho. But I went through a lot with this, like, 3 or 4 days, just, trying everything under the sun to fix this problem. And it was right up under my nose. And, if I can save somebody else this headache, I want to do that. So I hope this does help you guys. And I'm sorry if I ramble on too much. But hopefully you can get the gist of it and that this works for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.